Marcus was 29, working as a project manager in Atlanta, and finally ready to buy his first home. He had $40,000 saved for a down payment and was about to lock in a mortgage. Then the Federal Reserve made an announcement. In a single afternoon, his monthly payment jumped by over $400. He had no idea interest rates could hit him that hard, that fast. Today, we're breaking down exactly how interest rates affect every corner of your financial life, your debt, your savings, your investments, so you never get caught off guard like Marcus almost did.
Let's start at the foundation. The Federal Reserve, America's central bank, sets something called the federal funds rate. Think of it as the master dial for the cost of money in the entire U.S. economy. When the Fed turns that dial up, borrowing gets more expensive for banks, and banks pass that cost to you through higher interest on mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. When the dial turns down, borrowing gets cheaper, but your savings account starts earning almost nothing. Marcus learned this the hard way, but understanding it is the first step to using it to your advantage.
Here's the big picture. This chart shows the federal funds rate going back 20 years. Notice how the Fed slashed rates to near zero after the 2008 financial crisis and kept them there for years. Then again in 2020 during the pandemic. But starting in 2022, the Fed raised rates faster than any time in 4 decades to fight inflation. This is the exact chart Marcus's financial advisor showed him. Those sharp moves you see, each one rippled through every loan, every savings account, and every investment portfolio in America.
Here's where Marcus's story gets real. When he started shopping for a home in early 2022, the average 30-year mortgage rate was around 3.2%. By late 2022, it had climbed past 7%. On a $350,000 home, that difference meant roughly $830 more per month. That's not a small number. That's a car payment added on top of your mortgage. And it's not just home loans. Credit card APRs follow the Fed almost in real time. If you carry a balance on your cards, rising rates are costing you more money every single month. Variable rate student loans and HELOCs work the same way.
Let that sink in. On the exact same $350,000 home, a 3.8 percentage point increase in mortgage rates adds roughly $830 to your monthly payment. Over 30 years, that's nearly $300,000 in additional interest paid to the bank, not toward your home's value, just interest. This is what Marcus was staring at when his realtor called with updated numbers. The house hadn't changed, the neighborhood hadn't changed, only the interest rate had, and it nearly blew up his entire financial plan.
But here's what Marcus's advisor told him that changed his entire perspective. Rising rates aren't all bad news. In fact, for savers, higher rates are a gift. Back in 2021, a high-yield savings account might earn you 0.5%. By 2023, that same type of account was offering 4.5 to 5%. U.S. Treasury bills, essentially short-term government loans, were yielding over 5% with virtually no credit risk. Marcus took his $40,000 down payment fund and parked it in a high-yield account while he waited for the right home. In 1 year, he earned about $1,800 in interest, money that didn't exist 2 years earlier.
This chart is the one that really opened Marcus's eyes. The blue line is the national average savings account rate. It was basically flat near zero from 2020 to early 2022. The orange line is inflation. When inflation was running hot in 2022, savers were actually losing purchasing power because their interest earnings couldn't keep up. But notice what happened starting in 2023. Savings rates finally caught up. For the first time in years, keeping cash in a high-yield account meant your money was at least holding its own against inflation. Timing matters enormously in personal finance.
Now let's talk about your investment portfolio. Interest rates and the stock market have a complicated relationship, but the logic is actually straightforward. When rates rise, bonds start paying decent returns. That makes stocks less attractive by comparison, especially high-growth tech companies whose value depends on future profits. Those future profits are worth less when discounted at a higher rate. This is why in 2022, when the Fed raised rates aggressively, the Nasdaq fell nearly 33%.
Let's bring it back to Marcus's situation with one more chart. This is the 30-year fixed mortgage rate over the past decade. See how rates sat comfortably between 3% and 4% for most of 2013 through 2021? That was an extraordinary period for homebuyers. Then, starting in early 2022, rates climbed nearly 4 percentage points in under 12 months, the steepest rise since the early 1980s. As of 2024, rates have begun to ease slightly as inflation cooled, but they remain historically elevated. Understanding this trend helps you decide when to lock in a rate, when to refinance, and how to plan your housing budget. So what did Marcus actually do? First, he moved his emergency fund and down payment savings into a high-yield account earning over 4%. Second, he decided to wait 6 months on the home purchase and watch where rates were heading. Third, he paid off his variable rate credit card balance, about $3,200, because carrying that at 22% APR made 0 cents. And fourth, he rebalanced his portfolio to reduce concentration in high-growth tech and add some exposure to dividend-paying value stocks and short-term bonds. None of these moves required a financial degree. They just required understanding how rates work, which is exactly what you now do. Marcus didn't become a financial expert overnight, but once he understood how interest rates move through the economy, he stopped being a passive bystander and started making smarter decisions. He moved his cash, adjusted his debt, and rebalanced his portfolio. Today, he's in a much stronger position, still watching for the right moment to buy that home. Here are your 4 takeaways. Rates affect everything from your mortgage to your savings to your stocks. High rates reward savers, but punish borrowers. Fixed rate debt protects you from future hikes, and diversification across sectors helps you weather any rate environment. If this video helped you, please subscribe to US Wealth Logic. New videos every week.
Everything in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment or borrowing decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and all investments